Was dieses? Yeah. It's on now. Okay. So yeah, starting from the web page, the Hack Week project from Richard Brown and me was about, we wanted to give you TumbleSLE. Following the scheme on our t-shirts, putting pieces together, you all should know tumbleweed and you should know SLE. And we wanted to apply the process of tumbleweed to an internal release of always the best build of SLE. So we came up with, a web page, TumbleSLE.qa.SUSE, which should show you all the interesting details. So TumbleSLE, this is based on what we test in a QA department using openQA. And of course, this is all strictly internal here, so you can download the most current stable SLE build, which we have based on the data which we have in openQA, and release it to you guys within SUSE. So for now, we have x86, we have the DVD ISO, the mini ISO, we have a QCOW image of a pre-installed virtual machine. So if you want to directly run this in a virtual machine, you can download this. We also have the repo, so you should be able to add this repo to your file, and if you then do a super up, then you would always update your install system to the current version of this. For more details, we have the release archive, so this is basically the raw file view of what's on the server, what we sync, and this is working based on a script which I have in GitHub. Don't be afraid, I didn't put any confidential data in there because I actually tested this script within this repo, which is the TumbleSLE release script based on the current leap data. So I'm using as test data what is on openQA, openSUSE.org, and then was applying the same process on SLE to check the status of the builds. Of course, we also have a link to what we are based on. This is the data from the openQA server. Okay, so let's try this. Do we have it worked out now? So I have to proceed on save. Yeah, this is based on the data which we have in our openQA server instance, and by a nice coincidence, when looking at the builds for server, oh, there's a new build tested right now. So we're based on server right now, and the one that we tested with, so thanks to release managers and guys who gave us the nice build 1641, which is 20 builds after the last beta 3, and it's actually just looking here at the length of the green bar, it's a pretty good build. So this is the current TumbleSLE as we used it for testing yesterday, and the script is discarding 1642, for example, because it's missing the power architecture and also has some new failures in there. Yeah, but as soon as a new build will have at least the result that we have from previous one, it might be 1643, the script will automatically sync the repos and sync the ISO, sync the QCOW image to TumbleSLE.qa.SUSE.de, and publish this on the web page. Thank you very much for your attention. Any question? Yeah, if you have questions, then feel free to visit us in our office, in QA review channel regarding the release process. And of course, if you see any bugs with the products, then just as normal file as SLE bugs in Bugzilla. Thanks.